Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Allie and today we're going to be making a do-it-yourself face covering for kids. Okay, so we're going to make a face mask that does not require sewing. All you need is a piece of material, a couple of hair ties, and a hot iron. That's it. You want to cut the material around 12 square inches, about the size of a regular bandana or handkerchief. You begin by folding the material halfway up on one end and halfway on the other so they meet right in the middle. They can overlap a little bit, that will be just fine. It actually makes it just a little bit bigger. Once you get it like that, you want to take your nice hot iron and steam it to create creases. The fabric that I'm using is a polyester cotton, so it responds really well to steam. Now we're going to take the material and flip it back over and fold the ends again to meet in the middle. This is going to be the front that everyone will see, and again we're going to take the iron and steam that straight. It's a good idea to make a collection of face masks because you'll probably want to wash yours after using it. Okay, so now we're going to flip it back over to the less pretty side, the side that your nose and mouth will be breathing into, and do the last two folds. We're going to gather the ends so they meet in the middle. If this were a bigger piece of cloth, they could probably touch in the middle, but for this size cloth, we're going to leave a gap about the size of 2 fingers so it goes from cheek to cheek, possibly from ear to ear. And once again, steam those creases. Now it's time to add the hair tie. We're going to put the hair tie on the material and bring it up to about the crease. And voila, the final product will look like this. Thanks for watching this video, everyone. Remember to like and subscribe. And if there's a DIY project you'd like to see me try, leave a comment below. Have a great day.